Welcome to Math Tree. Let's start by reading and analyzing the question. A collection of non-empty subsets of the set 1 to n is called a simplex if, whenever a subset S is included in the collection, any non-empty subset T of S is also included in the collection. Now let's first see what this means. This implies that if a set S is a member of a collection tau, then all its subsets, say alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4, and so on, all of these will also be members of tau. This is what it means. This is what a simplex collection implies. All right. Now let's find out which of the options A, B, C, and D are simplexes. Only one of them will be correct. Let's start with option A. The collection of all subsets S with the property that one belongs to S. Now, let the collection be tau and let's take a set alpha 1. 1, 2, 3. Now, obviously, beta 1 being the set of 2 and 3 is a subset of alpha 1 and therefore it must be included in tau. But according to option A, only the sets with 1 will belong to the collection. This means that beta 1 is not included in tau and A is not a simplex. Let's check option B. The collection of all subsets having exactly 4 elements. Let's take a set alpha 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one of its subsets, beta 2, is clearly 1, 2, but this does not contain 4 elements. Hence, it is not a part of the collection described in option B. Hence, B is also not a simplex. Let's check option C. The collection of all non-empty subsets which do not contain any even number. Let's take a set alpha 3 and let's say it contains elements A1, A2 and so on up to AN. And let's say that we have a subset beta 3. Now, clearly, alpha 3 does not contain any even numbers, so it must be a set of odd numbers. And beta 3, being a subset of alpha 3, will also contain only odd numbers. And by extension, beta 3 will be included in the collection described in C. Therefore, option C is a simplex. Let's check option D just to make sure that we have arrived at the correct conclusion. The collection of all non-empty subsets except for the subset 1. Okay, so let's take an example. Let's take alpha 4, the set being 1, 2, 3. Now, clearly, beta 4 equal to the singleton set of 1 is a subset and must be included in the collection if alpha 4 is included. But here we can see that if alpha 4 is included, beta 4 is not included. This means that option D is not a simplex either. Hence, the correct answer is option C.